Nice little squirrel over there. You see him not even business with the world. Him not have no rent for pay, no. Nothing. See him over there, see. Not a thing him not have to worry about. Wildlife can't just be so peaceful. And nobody not have to pay no rent, light bill, water rate, nothing. Just live and be humble. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the park taking a walk and just take a nice little stroll in the park and just think about myself. Yes. Come along with me. I like this one. Twisting my waist. Yeah, get the waist snatch. You can't beat me on. That's so cute. Oh yeah, that's so cute stuff.
I want to get some bread. Look, there's two. Hello, Mommy.
Nice little scene. What's going on over there? See a girl fast. No public toilet in this bowling green. So that's a bowling green. Sitting down and just thinking and just having a look at nature. I love nature and I love peaceful things. Nice little squirrel over there. You see him not even business with the world. Him not have no rent for pay, no. Nothing. See him over there, see. Not a thing him not have to worry about. Why life can't just be so peaceful and nobody not have to pay no rent, light bill, water rate, nothing. Just live and be humble. It's the place. I'm just sitting here. I'm not trouble nobody. And nobody not trouble me. Me and my one little world. Yes, my love. My one little world. Take your time. Yes. Right here, so me I sit, my love. So peaceful and nice. Just take a little break from everything. Just sit and relax and have a little peace of mind. No negativity around me. My little squirrel friend. Oh, I'm gone. Little walking was good. Just take a little stroll in the park, do a little exercise, and just sit down and relax, taking the little scenery of nature, and that's it. I'm in a little shed by myself, and I'm just relaxing, reminiscing. Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna leave now, so please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Remember to subscribe. Click the notification bell to see more videos. Bye.